Juicy oven roasted chicken. So juicy it makes gravy. Skin is crispy, it speaks to your soul. Whoa, it's so tender. That leg quarter lifts right off of the body of that chicken. This good looking chicken is gonna be served alongside creamy old fashioned buttery mashed potatoes. Friends, welcome to the Nanabe's Kitchen. I hope you're having a fantastic day so far. Let's dive right into the recipe. You'll need a whole chicken, butterflied for excellent results. Now this chicken has also been cleaned with some lemon juice, and so it's squeaky clean and ready to go. Let's season it up. You need one whole onion chopped into thick slices. Onions are full of flavor and also moisture, so it's going to create a gravy around that chicken when it's roasted. We're also going to add the clean flavor that acidity imparts onto a rich dish like this. Yes, we're using the juice of half a lemon. Squeeze it all on there. You also need a few drizzles of cooking olive oil, and you're going to start adding your spices and other seasonings. This is chicken bouillon, followed by chili flakes for that kick you know I love. Herb of choice today is dried oregano. It's going to bring you that pizzeria essence. Yes, you also need it seasoned with some salt. So that's gone on. Next is some white pepper, freshly crushed. White pepper is earthy with ginger notes. Yes, indeed. And so it is floral and it has a cleaner flavor you'd love in here. Next ingredient you need is a generous amount of granulated garlic that's gone on, and then you also need your paprika. I combine the same amount each of the regular paprika and the smoked. Now this ingredient I am giving a slight crush to is aniseed, and it's going to bring us a licorice essence, which is going to just really bring that much needed balance. And it is very fragrant in this recipe. You're going to love it, and it's not omittable. But you can substitute with fennel seeds. So that's gone on. Now we're going to give it that rubbing in action. Let's go for it. Don't be shy. Yes, please. Let the onions become your mode of transporting your spices and seasonings from the skin side to the inner side of that chicken. And the chicken will in turn be infused with the onion flavor, which is absolute gorgeousness. One area of the chicken we often forget to season is the armpits. So make sure you go in there and rub some of this action in there as well. The symphony of aromatics we have skillfully combined in this recipe is essentially a deodorant. And we have to apply some of that deodorant in the armpits of the chicken. Y'all agree with that? So please go for it. Like I said, don't be shy. And also cling film it and set it in the fridge for at least an hour to marinate. And then it goes on to the roasting pan. Make sure you're tacking in the wings so they don't burn off as they stick out during the roasting process. All right, just like so. Okie doke. And also don't forget these onions. Remember, we want it to create sort of a jus or a gravy when this chicken is done roasting. So pour all of that onto the chicken and leave nothing behind. Yes, the rest of the marinade must be drizzled right onto the chicken. That is where it belongs. And we're going to set it into the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for the first 20 minutes. Look at this hot mama right here. I love the shape of chicken. It is voluptuous. And that's exactly what this recipe is going to do for us, friends. It's going to be so juicy, voluptuously so. And after 20 minutes of roasting, at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, we're gonna go in and start basting with those juices we got from the onions and the chicken. All right, just use a spoon and keep on going on to that chicken. Reintroduce the juices back to the chicken flesh. We want to keep it nice, tender, fall off the bone and juicy, and this is the way to do it. And the color on that chicken is looking great too already. Back into the oven for 40 minutes, this time at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And roast it slowly but certainly surely until it is cooked to the bone. You heard that skin, it tells it all. A sprinkle of freshly chopped parsley for that show-stopping appearance. Now take a look at how easy it was to detach the leg quarter. Now if that doesn't scream tender, I don't know what else does, friends. This is a no-fail, excellent recipe. And as for the taste, forget about it. Now listen, you can hear juiciness right now. Now that's the breast, which is notorious for getting dried out when it's roasted. But look at those juices. It isn't dried out. It is in fact moist and absolutely juicy. All right, friends. So I needn't say more. I just really want you to give this one a shot. All the ingredients we used are easily accessible. Look at that. Look at that. This is the drum separated from the thigh. Also very juicy. All right. The dark meat and the white meat, everything is juicy, friends. This recipe hits all the notes. So you must give it a shot. Just look at that. It is falling off of the bone, which I promised from the beginning of the video, and I have delivered. The recipe will not fail you, friends. Just try it. I hope you have learned a thing or two, and more importantly, are inspired to try the recipe. A little bit of the onion on some of that chicken. And boy, that sent me to heaven, okay? And you see the gravy I was talking about? It is creaming mashed potatoes, and that is exactly the route I took today. Some of this gravy was drizzled onto some old-fashioned, creamy, buttery mashed potatoes, and boy oh boy, this is a 5-star, better than restaurant quality entree. I'm telling you, friends, serve this to that special somebody or your family, friends, loved ones, whomever, and they will be impressed to the core. They're gonna look at you sideways, but in a good way, like, she got it going on. And she knows it too. Yes, you do. You got it going on, friends. Few, simple, easily accessible, and readily available ingredients, and you have this show-stopping entree. Friends, just try it and come back, please, with your feedback. Hope to see you pretty soon on my next one. And until then, make it a great day and have fun, especially in that kitchen. Thank you, beautiful person, for watching the video all the way to the end. Kindly leave me a comment and subscribe down below. And don't forget to share the video as well. Also, watch more videos. It is chop time. And here in Anaba's kitchen, chop time is always yes, friends. So pull up a chair. We are all friends and family here.